video, we will talk about packing problems. Packing problems means problems involve attempting to pack objects together. So the number one example is find the area of circle inside an equilateral triangle with side of 26 feet. So in the problem, it is stated that all sides of the triangle is equal to 26 feet. Then the radius of the circle is equal to the apothegm of the triangle. But the apothegm of the triangle must be divided into 3. So this will be the radius and the apothegm of the problem. This one. So to solve this, it will be this way. First, solve the sine theta or the degrees here. So sine theta is equal to 360 degrees over 3 because it consists 3 triangles. Then because since we divide the circle into 2, the sine theta will be divided into 2 also. So 120 degrees, and but as I said, it's divided into 2. So 60 degrees. So we will get this triangle here. So this way. So it will be 90 degrees here. Then the sine theta is 60 degrees. So then to get the degree here, so we will add 90 plus 60. Then we will minus the 180 to the sum of that 2 degrees. So it will be 30 degrees. Then since the side of the inside is given, so we will divide the 26 into 2. So it will be equivalent to 13 feet. Then this will be the radius of the this will be the apothegm of the triangle and the radius for the circle. So it's the x. So to find this, to find the x, we will use sine law. So 13 feet over the sine of its degree, or sine 60 is equal to x and sine 30 degrees. So the value of x is 6.5 feet. Then to get the area of the circle is, the formula is area of circle is equal to pi r squared. R is the radius or the 6.5. So pi times 6.5 squared, which will be equal to 132.73 feet squared. I hope that you learned something. Thank you. And our second example is find the area of the square in the given figure. So in the figure, the only given is the radius of the circle. Since the circle are tangent to each other with the square, so we only just need to do is to find the diameter of the circle. Then multiply the diameter into 2, so we can get the one side of the square. Since the square is since the area of square is only just 2 square one of each side. So let's proceed to our example. So to get the diameter, we will multiply the radius into 2. So 3 times 2, and we will get 6. Then the 6 is this. This is the diameter. So we will multiply 6 into 2 again. So we can get this portion also. So 6 times 2 will be 12. 6 times 2 will be 12. Then we will just square the 12. So we will get the area of the square. So 12 squared will be equals to 144. The final answer is 144 meters squared. So we get now the answer for the question. And our last example is SK German want to paint their basketball court. If we choose to paint first the 2 semicircles or the inside of the 3-point lines at the end of each side, which have radius of 7 meters, how many cans of paint will be consumed if every can paint 7 meters squared? Okay guys, to know if how many cans will be consumed to paint the two semicircles, we will find first the area of the 2 semicircles or the inner portion of the 3-point line. So to get the area of the 2 semicircles, since they are equal, so it will form a circle. Then the formula for circle is pi r squared. So we will get the area of the circle. So it will be this way, pi times 7 squared. So it will be 153.94 meters squared. But it will not end in that part. So now the problem is to know if how many cans will be needed to paint the 2 area. So it's stated that every 1 can is equal to 7 meters squared. So to find if how many cans to paint this area is to be the number of cans, so it will be x, then over the total area of the 2 semicircles, which is 153.94. Then it will be equal to x equals to 1 times 153.94 meters squared over 7. Then the answer is 22 cans. Okay guys, that's all. I hope that you learned something from me and enjoy your day. Thank you. God bless.